Greetings from Shib once again, everyone. Shiba currency is genuinely ruining credit cards like MasterCard and Visa. One of the most well-known meme cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu, is an Ethereum substitute for Dogecoin. Shiba Inu has been having difficulty. Its price has dropped by more than 88% from its peak. Nevertheless, a new trend for Shiba Inus is evident following numerous drops, since price increases have been happening recently. In the past day, the price of Shiba Inu has increased by 3.6%. This happened following the announcement by principal developer for Shiba Inu, Shoshiro Kozama, of the launch of the eagerly expected Shib, the platform's Layer 2 blockchain. Shiba Inu's price has increased after Kozama said in a tweet that Shib would be released shortly after the new year. It will take time to determine whether this increase of Shiba Inus will continue. We will discuss the literal destruction of Visa and MasterCard by Shiba Inu coins in this video, along with other Shiba-related news. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to get our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. On January 6th, let's see what Shiba Inu gets up to. Shiba has increased by 3% in the past day. Shib's price has increased by 3% during the past day to about $0.00088519. Over the first 5 days of the new year, Shiba Inu has shown good performance, with returns of almost 6%. The asset has lost 9% of its value over the last 30 days, though, since the recent upswing hasn't been sufficient to offset the weak December performance. The most recent notification from Binance, dated January 6th, is that it has deleted and stopped trading for the corresponding spot trading pairs, RenBTC, SHIB, SGBP, Alpha, SBNB, ASDR, CLR, and DARTH. Customers will still be able to access the tokens offered in these spot trading pairs, nevertheless, through various trading platforms linked to the exchange. Binance wants to provide its users with a better experience as the Shib solution draws closer. The development team has shared a lot of information about the eagerly anticipated event on Twitter. The team specifically refuted reports that claimed several Aster tokens were necessary for a bit to successfully use the collateral network. Developers claim that BONE is still the only token chosen for usage and state fees. In addition, the team stressed that Shib is a part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem and that its innovative installation contributes to the ecosystem's evolution. Demand for risky assets on Friday was driven by U.S. economic figures. The ISM non-manufacturing PMI and the U.S. jobs report reduced expectations of an aggressive rate move by the Fed in February. We therefore accounted for the change in mood that drove the Nasdaq index gain following wage increase and a drop in the non-manufacturing sector. Investor expectation of the Shib upgrade contributed to the optimistic session as the Nasdaq index increased by 2.56% and the S&P 500 gained 2.28%. In its most recent update on the Shib upgrade, the Shib network stated, "We wanted to remind everyone that BONE is the necessary gas token for operating within the Shib in our previous post. Additionally, we explicitly declare that SHIB shall be burned with every Shib transaction." The Shib network continued, saying, "Right now, we are concentrating on delivery. Watch this space for more details as our beta launch draws near." For updates on the protocol, kindly follow at ShibET and our official portals. An optimistic SHIB morning session with greater burn rates was reinforced by this news. Positive pricing for SHIB. A whale shifted a huge SHIB stack worth $28.7 million in the last day, causing Shiba Inu to drop 3%. Given that the meme currency had been seeing an increase over the first 5 days of the year, SHIB had a good start to 2023. But the asset turned back towards a fall, easing nearly all of the gains from the previous advance. Investors in Shibs are currently still 3% ahead of the curve in terms of weekly returns. However, these gains are still far smaller than the 7% amount observed yesterday, indicating that all of the recent gains earned by the currency are being erased by the slump. Data from the cryptocurrency transaction tracker Whale Alert indicates that in the last day, a sizable Shiba Inu transfer was noted on the Ethereum blockchain. A total of 3,373,250,006,285,000 SHIB were moved during this transaction. At the time of the transfer, their combined value exceeded $28.7 million. It seems that this transaction involved unknown addresses for both the sending and receiving parties. These addresses are probably personal wallets because they aren't linked to any established centralized platform. Given that a significant quantity of coins were moved during this transfer, a whale is most likely the sender. Since the receiving end is typically an exchange where selling is the goal, it is unclear what the whale meant to accomplish with this transaction. Nevertheless, the same stack of coins is now worth $27.7 million because the price dropped following this transaction. However, the fact that SHIB is now the most traded token among the 1,000 biggest Ethereum whales in the last few hours may be encouraging for holders of the coin. Similar to the whale from yesterday, Whale Stats indicates that this increased interest may be for selling. However, since this trading activity has occurred after the price has already started down, perhaps it will be used for purchasing. After surpassing the 50-day moving average, the price outlook for SHIB has become more optimistic. The well-known meme coin Shiba Inu is about to experience a technical breakthrough that will alter the rules. The information was released to the public on January 5 via the official Twitter account of Shib Network. The designers of the network wanted to express their gratitude to the Shiba community for generating enthusiasm for the upcoming gradual launch. The Shib development team also refuted rumors that it might have multiple gas tokens. BONE is the only cryptocurrency that can be utilized to pay transaction costs. The programming team of shibaswap expressed relief that additional tokens won't be needed to function within the protocol. Additionally, the team is collaborating with Sfund to release the Shib beta as soon as is practical. Shiba's Layer 2 solution, Shib, seeks to create an autonomous ecosystem around the ERC20 coin. SHIB, the main token of the Shiba ecosystem, saw a rise in value as well. It has anything to do with the current rumors that some of Shib's code is up on GitHub. One progressive member of the Shiba Inu community went one step further and started a social networking website as the army of Shiba Inus awaited Shib. A member by the name of Shiba Dream started the Shiba Army. Additionally, according to the social networking site Shiba Dream, iOS and Android apps will be accessible starting in January 2023. The center for local news, events, and other activities will be the Shiba Army VIP app. Additionally, registered users can find job opportunities, hashtags, and the most well-known members of the Shiba community using the user-friendly structure. Shiba Dream's admission caused Shiba's burn rate to accelerate. The official Shiba development team is not the source of the Shiba Army. The developer, VIP Venture, helped run a Shiba Inu news blog and launched Shiba Dream NFTs. It might, however, cause the Shiba exchange rate to rise. One well-known Shiba Inu creator is Shoshir Kusama. Kusama is still unidentified, although he has almost 865,000 Twitter fans. Conversely, Kusama plans to reveal his true identity to the Shiba Army. On December 28, a Twitter user named ShibBPPP posted an odd screenshot in one of his tweets. In the image, which shows a Discord chat Kusama made, he says that he and his tutor realized it would be hard to stay invisible by the end of the year after talking. Many users of the well-known K9 Money seem to have calmed down in the wake of Shoshir Kusama's holiday message, while the Shiba community waits for Shib. Unexpectedly, the Shiba burning rate increased, proving it. Additionally, Shiba's value rose after the statement. We're done for today. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.